I did something, and I want y'all to tell me, get in the comment section, tell me what y'all think. Gang, it's your boy Luke back with another video, and I'm finna get started on putting the alternator in this truck right here. It ain't hard, but I just don't want parts and stuff laying around, because if I keep parts and stuff laying around, I'll forget that I have it. So I kind of like to stay on top of it, or it'll end up in one of my mystery bins that I have in the shop. Changing the alternator ain't too hard. It ain't nothing but 2 bolts. It's this one right here, which I don't know what size it is. Probably looks like a 14 or a 15, maybe a 13. Yeah, I think it's a 13. That's a 13, and then you got one on this side over here. But you know, just loosen up your tensioner, loosen up the belt, and just connect everything, because this doggone thing is making a sound. It's making a sound, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up and go ahead and knock this out real quick. I'm gonna be changing them seat belts in the Yukon too. I'm gonna have to check them out and see how dirty they is. But I'm gonna set y'all up and go ahead and knock this on out. That did not go as planned. The connector is different. Y'all see that connector right there? See how that connector's square? Well, the connector on this one is round. So I put the old one back on there. It can chirp or do whatever it's doing. I want to send this one back, because I was gonna try to like retrofit it. You know, take the plug connector, because I could remove the plug connector from the back of this one. And solder everything back. So this right here, it's pretty easy to rebuild, I would say so myself. I think that's what they do with these things. I think they rebuild them, because when I took the back off of it and looked down in it, it just, all the pieces looked alike, that you could rebuild it. So, but this one right here, you can't. Yeah, you can't rebuild this one. Well, you probably can, but you got to do it from the inside, because see, you see this piece right here? It's a little box, and it connects to a bunch of different pins down in here. Man, I was really wanting to put them 150 amps in that one. But it's okay. I'm gonna send it back. You can't always believe what the what the internet tells you. And this is a prime example. Internet told me that this would fit my truck. Whatever. On to the seat belts. There's the seat belts right there. Yeah. Damn it. Yeah, there's the seat belts right there. I'm gonna have to clean them up, because I don't know what that is. Dookie. Dookie is what that is. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go with Dookie, because I don't believe that's chocolate. So I'm gonna have to stretch these out. And clean them. Yeah, because I don't trust these. I'm gonna have to stretch these out, spray them down with some stuff, clean them, and I'll be back after I do all that right there. I might go ahead and install these lower door seals. Go ahead and install them since I can. Yeah, I got that bottom door seal in there. This one, and the one on the other side. But these right here, I don't know what I was thinking. I took them off of Avalanche, and y'all know the back doors. Y'all know the back doors to this thing right here is much shorter, so like the seal sticks out. So it'll fit. I'm gonna just have to re-drill the holes and everything. So yeah, got them doggone seals in there. Cause when you don't have the seals, this is what happens. I mean, the water don't come into the cabin, but it does splash around under the door. Under the door and all up in here. So, yeah. We needed them doggone seals. Man, I'm ready to put the doggone seatbelt on. I'm ready to button my doggone seat up. I am, gang, but I can't put them nasty doggone seatbelts in there, man. You know, that one got the dookie on it. That one got the poop. Got the poop on it, man. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go to the car wash and spray them off and then let them dry. So I'll probably come back tomorrow. If anything else interesting happened today, I'll be back today. But if not, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll throw them doggone seatbelts in. Yeah, man. I got them things pressure washed. They dry. I just hung them over that vent right there. They dry though. And they super duper clean, so we can ready to go out there and install these jokers. Yes, sir. I didn't think these right here was different. I'm just having a bunch of run-ins today. But I'm gonna have to grind this out because this right here is Cadillac. These seatbelts came out of a Cadillac. They do work with the Yukon, but this black bracket, I'm gonna have to grind that out right there, and then I'm gonna have to take this and fold this down to where it hooks. So I'm finna do that, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this right here is the original one. The original one that I took out, the one that's locked up or whatever. But that's why I had to take that bracket off. I'm gonna show you. See, this one right here still got the bracket on, so I'm gonna have to take all this right here back apart. And, I mean, which it does bolt to the side, but it's up too high. If you see that hump right there, see that hump? The seatbelt is supposed to be nestled behind that right there. And if I leave that bracket on there, it's gonna put the seatbelt up too high. So then my trim piece right there ain't gonna fit. So I'm finna knock this thing right here out. Well, I had to use my my zip cut. So I'm gonna cut that off, take this off, and put this back on there. But I'm gonna have to reverse this whole process. Luckily, I didn't connect it to the seat. I just connected it up here. So I'm gonna reverse all that and go on ahead and put these in. Well, it's the next day. I got frustrated yesterday. That's why I didn't end the video yesterday, because I got frustrated. My alternator didn't fit. Then I had to do all that stuff to them seat belts, which I did get those pins knocked out of them seat belts. And then I had to go back because the hole wasn't big enough, so I had to drill the hole out to where the bolt would fit through. I did that, and then I installed the driver's side seat belt, because the driver's side seat belt was messed up too. I mean, the ratcheting mechanism was messed up, so I could plug my seat belt in, but the passenger seat belt is just stuck. So I went to go take that seat belt off and broke my star bit, broke it. And then I had another star bit, stuck it in there, broke it. So I couldn't get that top bolt off. So I don't know if I'm gonna go buy another set of star bits, or I was gonna put a pipe wrench on it, but I can't seem to locate my pipe wrench. I had a pipe wrench. I thought it was here at work, but like I can't find it. Been looking for it all morning, but I'm gonna keep looking for it, and whatever I use to get that bolt off, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Whatever I use to get that bolt off, I'll let you guys know. Right. So back in the truck, I cut that seatbelt, and I did have to put a pipe wrench on that. I put a pipe wrench on it. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it too. I put that pipe wrench on there. I put that pipe wrench on there like that and broke it loose. So she broke loose, and a pipe wrench will grab that. A pipe wrench will grab that. But y'all can see where I broke all that off at and reamed it out. Like it was really in there. It was really in there tight, man. You know what I'm saying? But I put that doggone pipe wrench on there, and that pipe wrench took it right off. Cause y'all know, you know how a pipe wrench works. For those inquiring minds, it applies as much pressure as you pull down on it. So, and I put a lot of pressure on that joker. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm getting ready to put that new seatbelt on there. That new seatbelt, cause this one right here just, that right there ain't doing nothing. Which I got that side on. I just gotta put the little trim piece on the top right there, and then we'll be in there. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. All right, the joker got wrapped up. Yeah. She look factory now. Yeah, she look pretty good on both sides. Doggone seatbelt work. Yeah. Oh yeah. Seatbelt work. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. One project down, or one task down, a million more to go. Yeah. I did something, and I want y'all to tell me, get in the comment section, tell me what y'all think. I put this doggone custom offset sticker on my truck. I wasn't gonna put it on nothing, but with the truck being white, you know what I'm saying, I figured it'd look good with a white sticker. So, y'all tell me what y'all think. But hey, don't get it twisted. I got my doggone razor scraper ready to go. As a matter of fact, I got two of them. I got my razor scraper ready to go. I'll scrape that joker off, and in the trash she'll go. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Does it complement the truck? Yeah. Does it complement the truck? Or no? Should I take it off? Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, let me know. It's getting chilly out here. I'm about to go in the house. I mean, you really can't tell, because you really can't tell. But probably the next task I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this doggone roof rack off. I'm gonna take this roof rack off right here, and I'm gonna put the Cadillac roof rack on there. But I gotta trim. I am gonna have to trim that Cadillac roof rack down. Yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna have to trim it down. I still don't know what I think about that sticker. Yeah. But anyway, if y'all still here watching this video, man, y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. That way you notify when I drop another video.